Do you want to limit comments on Instagram?
You can make comments limited on Instagram posts and Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out.
To limit comments on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, at the top right of the profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu. A new screen will appear with different settings options. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section and tap on Comments. Now, under the Who Can Comment section, tap on Posts and Reels. A new screen will appear with different comment settings. Select one option among people you follow, your followers, or people you follow and your followers. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Once selected, go back and your settings will be saved. Now, only the people you allow will be able to comment on that post or reel.